In this video, I'm going to show you how you can level up your video audio using CapCut. A whole lot of people, and I myself, have been in a situation whereby I'm unable to get money to buy those expensive microphones. But I want to let you know that with these features on CapCut, which I'm going to show you, you can be able to level up your video sound and be able to get good quality sounds using CapCut. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 ways in which you can be able to level up your video audios to be able to get better quality, even though you don't have the money to be able to buy those expensive microphones and all that. So without further ado, let's dive into today's videos. I've been in a situation whereby I was recording my video, doing my recording while in my compound where I stay. There's actually cars passing, blowing on, and vehicles moving, and people talking at the background. You can be able to see that all these things are things that can echo into your videos, and which is actually something which you don't want to go into the videos in which you are recording. These features on CapCut have really helped me to be able to maximize my videos, to be able to get the best, and to be able to remove those sound effects that I actually don't want on the video. And at times there's actually some effects in which you want to put on a video, maybe voice change, voice transformation, and a whole lot of things in which you want to put on a video. Those are just sound effects. These features in which I'm going to show you on CapCut is actually going to help you to be able to get these good sound effects, to be able to have one of the best sound qualities. So first on the list is enhanced voice. Let's say you record a video. What it does is that it brings out the best from your video, brings out a different sound, gives you different sound quality in which you might be needing on a video. Maybe you don't want to use your real voice. It also gives you a different kind of voice. So when you are using CapCut, you need to do what? Make use of these effects, give them a trial, see which one best fits the kind of videos in which you are actually doing. This is how you'll be able to get these effects. Come to CapCut, select new project. Then the next thing we have to do is to select a video we're going to be using for our project, and this is what we are selecting. So this is how the video looks like. Now the next thing we have to do is to apply this effect on these videos. This is how the video sounds like. Almost every social media app, either on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and so that's how the video sounds like. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be adding effect to this particular sound. So we select the video, then we come to this part which I'm going to show you. At the down, once you select the video, it's going to bring this option. You slide to this particular part, enhance voice. That's what we're going to be selecting. So what we'll do is that we're now going to select this effect on this video. Let's see how it sounds like. So we're going to select this sound to see how it looks like. Now we are selecting the sound, but while selecting, it's going to take time to load. So this is the sound, then we click on it. It's clicked already, then it's going to load it from 1 to 100%. Since it's downloading, now let's play to see how it sounds like. This is some of the images that is currently trending on almost every social media app, either on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and so many other social media apps. So you can see how this sound looks like. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to now try the other effect to see how those ones also sounds like. So if you're finding value on this video, please don't forget to click on the like, share this video to other people so they can also get value on these videos. And lastly, all I ask is subscribe to this channel for more great content and great videos. So the next on the list is isolate voice. This isolate voice, I'm going to be showing you how these effects actually work on CapCut. So we're going to be using the same video for these other effects. Now let's play to see how this video sounds like. It is currently trending on almost every. Apply this effect to select the video, then the next one we have to do, we slide down to this place. You can see it as a down, isolate voice, keep vocal, and remove vocal. So let's give the first one a try. It's going to load up to 100%. Then let's see how that also sounds like. So this effect is going to enhance your voice and everything which you're saying. Let's play to see how it sounds like. This is some of the images that is currently trending on almost every social media app, either on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and so many other social media apps. So now let's try to remove vocal to see how it also sounds like it's applying the effect to the video. Once it's done applying the effect, now let's play it to see how it sounds like. This remove vocal removes your voice and leave you with the sounds, just the background sound. The effect is done applying. Let's play to see how it sounds like. So you can see that my voice has been removed from the video. It's only the background sound that you can hear. Now let's move to the next effect. So the next sound effect in which you are going to be getting on CapCut to be able to level up your video sound is voice effect. Now this is what the voice effect does to your videos. Let's say some people are recording their videos, you want to be able to get children voice or get adult voice or get different sound effects. This feature is very good for you, but it all depends on the kind of video in which you're actually recording before you can be able to use this effect. But I recommend whenever you are shooting a video, maybe after you're shooting, you are doing the editing, give these sounds a try out. Select in which of these sounds best fits the kind of video in which you're actually doing. So this is how you apply the effect. You click on the video, then you scroll down to this particular part, which is voice effects. You can see it's going to load different kind of voice changes for voice transformation. So I'm going to play it for you to hear every one of them. And this voice can be changed to suit whatsoever kind of video in which you are making.
This is some of the images that is.
This is some of the images that.
This is some of the images that is currently.
This is some of the images that is currently. This is some of the images that is currently trending on. This is so you can see all these effects have its own purpose. Depending on what you are doing on a particular video, you can actually use any of these effects to make your video look very good. And now on to the next one. And the next sound effect is reduce noise. This feature is very good on CapCut because I always use this particular effect on my videos, because at times you might be recording video while there may be some sound at the background which is going to affect your video sound quality. So you need to make sure you eliminate all noise which is at the background of your videos. So most times maybe there's sound of car, the sound of children playing at the background. You can see that sometimes while doing your recording, these sounds can enter into the video in which you are actually recording. So it's good and very important to eliminate these background noise. So that is why I'll actually recommend these effects. So whenever you are recording your videos, at the end of the videos while doing your editing, make sure you select this effect for your video so that any noise which is actually at the background will be removed and you'll be able to get one of the best sound quality for your videos. So this is how you apply the reduce noise effect on your videos. Now once you select the video, we are using the same video, then you select the video, then you come down to this part at the down, reduce noise, which is just at the side. You select the effect, it will just apply to your video, and this is how it looks like. This is some of the images that is currently trending on almost every social media app, either on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and so many other social media apps. So just as I explained, this particular effect reduces background noise. Let's say there are children making noise at the background. It may not be able to remove all the noise. So that's why you need to make sure when you're recording your video, you're using a good environment whereby there's not much noise. But it will minimize the noise that is actually at the background for you to have good sound for your videos, so that the noise at the background will not so much affect your video sound quality. So these are the 4 effects that is very good for editing every videos on CapCut. There is one bonus editing effect which I'm going to show you, so make sure you watch till the end. So these are the special 4 effects on CapCut which can be able to help you to level up your video audio quality. So now for the bonus effect, this is what you do. Still on your CapCut, don't select the video, just scroll down. You come to this particular, come to audio, then you see sound effects. You come to sound effects. What this does is that it's going to give you any kind of sound. Let's say you want to use animal sound, mouse or bell, or like notification or magic sound, or you want to search for the particular effect. You can search it at this search bar. Any kind of sound effect in which you want to use, maybe sound of glass, sound of gun, sound of any kind of sound in which you want to use. This particular effect, you can use it on your videos to be able to get good sound. You can see that any kind of, at times you want to do a video and there are certain sounds in which you want to use. You want to, maybe children crying or maybe people laughing, any kind of sound in which you want to use, you can actually use this effect. So if what you're looking for is not here, you can just click on the search sound effect and automatically you are going to get any kind of sound in which you are looking for. So no matter the kind of sound in which you are looking for, you're going to get every one of them at this particular place. All these are needed when you want to add some special sound effects. So if you find value on this video, don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming up. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.